Good morning students. Today video is going to see compressibility factor Z. The divisions of ideal gas from ideal behavior is measured in terms of a ratio of PV to nRT. This is termed as compressibility factor. So the mathematical functions, the PV is equal to nRT, so Z is equal to PV by nRT. Okay, so for ideal gas, the PV is equal to nRT, hence the compressibility factor Z. Okay, see this is the Z. Okay, the next Z is equal to 1 at all temperature and pressure. For this gas, the plot of Z versus P should be the straight line parallel to the pressure axis. When a gas that divides from ideal behavior, its Z value divides from unity. So for all gases at very low pressure and very high temperature, the compressibility factor, the approaches unity and they tend to behave ideally. So the plot of the compressibility factor versus the pressure for the same common gases are shown in this picture. Okay, the next, the compressibility factor. When the pressure is low, the volume of the container is very large compared to the volume of the gas molecules. So, gas molecules. So, the compressibility factor, the volume of the gas molecules as so that individual volume of the gas molecules can be in addition, the molecule in a gas are far apart and attractive forces are negligible as the pressure increases. So this is the straight lines. Okay, this is the nitrogen level is the Z level is increases. So the density of gas also increases and the molecules are much closer to one another. Hence the intermolecular force becomes the significant enough to affect the motion the molecules and the gas will not behave ideally. So at high temperatures, the average kinetic energy of the molecules is very high and hence intermolecular attractions become significant. As the temperature that decreases, the average kinetic energy of molecules also decreases. Hence the molecular attraction is the enhanced. So the temperature at which a real gas obeys ideal gas law over a appreciability range. So the pressure is called Boyle's temperature or Boyle point. Okay, so for ideal gas, the Z that decreases, that reaches the minimum and then increases with the increases in pressure. So it is clear that at low pressure and at high temperature, the real gases behave as ideal gas. This is the compressibility factor for ideal gas. Okay. So this is the compressibility factor for ideal gas equation. So this compressibility factor Z real gas can be the written the Z is equal to PV real divided by nRT. So the V real is equal to nRT by P. So the substituting this equation, so Z is equal to V real divided by V ideal. So the cancel, the PP cancel, nRT cancel. So then balanced V ideal and V real. So V real divided by V ideal. So when V real is the molar volume of real. Okay, the molar volume of real. So the V ideal gas is the molar volume of its that behaves ideally. So this is the van der Waals equation. So J.D. van der Waals made the first mathematical analysis of real gases. Okay, so the next one discussed, this is the pressure correction. Okay, the pressure correction, see this, the molecular attractions balanced. So the pressure of a gas is directly proportional to the force that created by the bomb of molecules and the walls of the container. So the spread of a molecule, the moving towards the walls of the container is reduced by the attractive forces. The exerted by its neighbor, and then two walls of the container is reduced by the attraction force, the exerted by its neighbors. Hence, the measured gas pressure is lower than the ideal pressure of the gas. So, hence van der Waals introduced a correction term to this effect. Okay, the next one, the van der Waals equations of the pressure correction. See this. The P dash, the directly proportional rho dash. The rho means N by V. So apply this constant value. Say this. Apply this constant value. So P dash, the proportional N squared by V squared. So P dash is equal to, the constant value is the A. So substituting this values A into N squared by V squared. Okay, so where is the proportionality constant and depend on the nature of gas. So the P ideal is equal to value P plus A N squared by V squared. So PV is equal to nRT formula. So the P ideal gas value P plus A N squared by V squared. Okay, the next one discuss the volume correction. See this is the volume correction. Okay, so the volume correction, the we exclude volume. So they exclude volume for two molecules, as every individual molecules of a gas occupies a certain volume. The actual volume is less than the volume of the container, so V. So the van der Waals introduced a correction factor V to this effect. So let us calculate the correction term by considering gas molecules as sparse. The two sparse is present. So apply this formula. See this, the 4 by 3 pi 2r cube. So 2r cube means 2 into 2 into 2, so 8. So 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. The next one discuss. See this equation. So this value is the Vm. Okay, so the Vm is the single molecules. Okay, the volume of single molecules, so 8 Vm. So excluding volume for the single molecules, so 8 Vm divided by 2, so 4 Vm. So the number of molecules, so N into 4 Vm. So Np, the constant value substitution. So Np is the P is the van der Waals constant. Okay, so the V dash is equal to Np. So V ideal is equal to V minus Np. So they replacing the corrector pressure, then pressure and volume in the ideal gas. The equations PV is equal to nRT. Okay, so they compare the PV is equal to nRT. We get the van der Waals equations of state for ideal gases as below. See this. The first one, the P of corrections. Then next one, the volume of correction value. So apply this van der Waals equation. This is the PV ideal. See P ideal, this is the V ideal. So PV is equal to nRT. So the constant A, B or van der Waals constant and their values vary with the nature of a gases. It is an approximate formula for the non-ideal gas. Okay. So see this, the next one discuss the pressure volume isotherm of carbon dioxide. Okay, at low temperature isotherm, this is the 13 degrees Celsius, and then pressure increases. So volume increases along AB and is a gas until the point B is reached. So the B is A to B increases. So B is reached. So B liquid separated along the line. So BC. So the BC means both liquid and gas. So coexist. The pressure remains constant. So C is completely converted into the liquid. So C is the completed liquid into the liquid. So if the pressure is higher than C, so only liquid is compressed, so there is no significant change in the volume. So the successive isotherms show similar turn with the shorter flat region, that is the volume range in which the liquid and gas excite become shorter. So at the temperature, the 13 1 degree Celsius. Okay, that the temperature 31 degree Celsius. So the length of the short portion is reduced to 0 at point P. So in other words, the carbon dioxide gases is liquefied completely at this point. This temperature is known as the liquefaction temperature or critical temperature or carbon dioxide. So at this point the pressure is 73 atmosphere. Above this temperature carbon dioxide remain as the gas. At all pressure values it is then powered that many real gases behave in the similar manner to carbon dioxide. Okay, through the nature of isotherm remains the similar the critical temperature, the corresponding pressure and the corresponding pressure and volume are characteristic of a particular gas. Okay, then now we can define the critical constant as follow: the critical temperature and critical pressure and then critical volume. Okay, so the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas at its critical temperature and critical pressure. Though so critical constant of same compound, the common gases are this. See this table. Okay, this is the table. Thank you.